To egg on, unscrambling the meaning of this curious phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, to egg on. This phrase might sound a bit odd, especially if you're picturing an actual egg. But fear not, we're here to explain what it really means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's crack this expression open and explore its usage together. To egg on is an idiomatic phrase in English. It means to encourage or urge someone to do something, often something mischievous or risky. The interesting thing about this expression is that it has nothing to do with eggs in the culinary sense. Instead, the word egg in this context comes from an Old Norse word, which means to incite. It's a vivid phrase that captures the idea of pushing someone, metaphorically, to take an action they might not have taken without such prompting. Let's see how this phrase is used in various contexts. 1. Encouraging positive actions. Sometimes, to egg on can be positive, like when friends encourage each other to try new experiences. For example, my friends egged me on to sing at the karaoke bar, and I ended up having a great time. 2. Provoking mischievous actions. Often, it's used when someone is urged to do something slightly naughty or mischievous. For example, the crowd egged the comedian on, and he ended up telling even more daring jokes. 3. In sports and competitions, it's also common in competitive contexts. The fans egged the team on during the final minutes of the game, boosting their morale. Understanding this context helps in comprehending the nuances of its use in daily conversations and media. To use to egg on correctly. 1. Context is key. Make sure the context implies encouragement or urging, whether it's light-hearted or more serious. 2. Tense consistency. It can be used in various tenses. For example, she is egging him on, present continuous. They egged her on, past simple. 3. Not always negative. Remember, while it can imply negative encouragement, it's not always the case. Its connotation depends on the context. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, to egg on. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also the culture and context behind them. Keep exploring, and happy learning!